Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our 72 by 96 June double flat door. This door comes in an arch, comes in single. We also make it in a full arch, and all the different variances. This door started off as a wine cellar door that we used to make. We still do. So a lot of people started asking us if we can make it into a front entry door, which the only thing we add is a threshold and an extra borehole. Super cool door. A lot of people that are into wine or in wine countries typically buy this door a lot that we've been seeing. It's got all handmade little grapes on it. This is all solid steel that it's been heated and bent over. Cool door. Doesn't have a kick plate. We have added a kick plate at one point. One customer wanted it, which is that piece on the bottom. Let me flip this around and show you guys the back end of this, how the glass operates. Okay, we're on the back side of the June double flat door. I'm going to demonstrate how the glass opens. You untwist these knobs, flick it open, and this makes it easy to clean the glass and also clean the scroll work. Super cool door. I think you guys will enjoy this. Optional screen is definitely available. This door is an oil rub bronze with Loy glass that we're showcasing today. Hope you guys enjoy this, and if you have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.